Today in lab, you will react zinc metal
with copper chloride solution to get solid copper.
Measuring the mass of solid copper will allow us to calculate the mass percent of copper in the original solution that has a known amount of copper chloride and figure out the chemical formula.
Start with 2 clean, dry evaporating dishes and place them on a hot plate set to 150 degrees Celsius.
Heating the dishes will ensure they are completely dry.
Once dry, use crucible tongs to move the heat-resistant mat to cool before measuring mass. Check out the How to Handle Hot Glassware and How to Use the Digital Balance videos for more detailed instructions.
Once the evaporating dishes have been on the hot plate, only handle them with tongs for the rest of the lab to ensure that finger oil doesn't get on them.
While the dishes are heating, we'll start our reaction. Get a zinc rod from the cart. It'll have a dark coating, which we'll remove. It is ready to use once it's shiny.
Follow the steps to prepare your pipette. When attaching the pump, hold the pipette close to the top and gently press together. This will minimize risk of breakage. See how to use volumetric pipette video for more detailed instruction.
You will get enough copper chloride solution from the stock bottle for both you and your partner to use in lab. You will both be doing this reaction at the same time.
Pipette 25.00 milliliters of solution into a clean, dry 150 milliliter beaker.
Tilt the beaker to the side. Pick up the zinc rod with the crucible tongs. Don't let the metal splash the solution out and keep the tongs out of the solution.
Using the rubber policeman, gently sweep the surface of the zinc to remove the reddish-brown copper flakes that form.
When the blue color has gone from the solution, it will have a greenish color, like this.
Add enough hydrochloric acid to remove the green color.
As always, handle acids with care. They can be irritants, so let your lab instructor know if you spill.
Remove the zinc rod with tongs and scrape the copper flakes with the rubber policeman.
Allow the beaker to sit so the copper settles to the bottom, and then decant the supernatant liquid into a waste beaker. See the How to Decant video for more detailed instructions.
The copper is washed with 10 milliliters of DI water. See how to read graduated glassware video for details of graduated cylinder use.
Allow to sit again and decant to waste beaker.
Scrape the copper into the evaporating dish. Be sure to get it all.
Place on the hot plate to dry the copper.
Heat until you think it is dry. Then remove, cool, and take the mass.
Record the mass and start heating the dish again.
We continue this process until the mass agrees 2 times in a row.
That means they should be within 0.001 grams. The longer you heat, the less time it takes to dry.
All solid waste goes into the labeled containers on the cart, and liquid waste goes into the labeled jug.
As always, come to lab on time with your completed pre-lab assignment.
Don't forget, you will need to complete your pre-lab quiz and be wearing your lab gear in order to be allowed in lab. Enjoy lab today!